Hello, you all, and today's topic is how you can add cover page to your assignments.
I'll open the cover page first. Here it is. This is a BPP cover page. Let me smaller my screen so that you can see the whole thing. Yeah, this is the whole cover page that I'm going to add in front of an assignment. Okay, so before that, what you have to do is, this is in a PDF format, so I'm going to transfer it into Word document so that I can easily copy the first front sheet and add to my assignment. My cursor here to add cover page. Meanwhile, I'll transfer my PDF file into Word document. For that, I'll just type PDF to Word converter on my web browser, and the first link that will be opened is I love PDF. Here you get to select a PDF file. I'm selecting the cover page PDF and I'll choose the first option, then convert to Word, and it may take some time. It's done. Just download your Word file and open it. See, it is done. Now click on enable editing and copy the front page or the cover sheet of your university. I'll copy this and paste it here. Yep. I'll also change the alignment, text format. Yeah, it is done. And I'll add the BPP sign as well. Just double tap on the header, copy this thing, close it, go to your file, again double tap on your header, paste it here. Yeah, place it at the right part and it's done. Now save this file and you have successfully added cover page to your assignment.
Do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel.